Hi everyone, I just thought I would have a little bit of a play about with some stuff to possibly make some tags or pouches or something to do with my Halloween journal. And so I kind of wanted to just play about with some stuff rather than work on the actual book itself today. So I've got a couple of pieces of scrapbook paper. This is a kind of pinky watercolour thing. It's the closest thing to orange that I had. So I may be playing about with that with some ink first of all. And then I've got this purple piece that I thought I might play about with putting some paper napkins over and almost like creating a little bit of a masterboard starting off. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with the whole thing. But that's my kind of plan. But what I'm thinking right now, I wasn't thinking this to start with until I started talking, is to just start with this to make it a bit more orange. I've got an orange ink somewhere. There we go. So I thought I would try, see what happens. Who knows what we're going to make here? Probably a mess. I'm just covering this up in a little bit more ink. So it's quite dark this side, and this side's a bit lighter. So I'm going to try just sort of smearing some more ink over it to see what we've got. I'm not going to do too much else to it until this dries, so I thought I'd do this first. I'm only doing it really messy to just make it different to what it is. So I'm just going to leave that to one side. Simple, isn't it? And pop it over here to dry for a little while and see what we get then. So now I'm going to work on the purple. So with the purple, this is what I have. And what I thought I'd do is to put some of this, I've got this napkin, paper napkin, that I've pulled apart. I didn't show it on camera because I just thought it might take me ages, and actually it was really easy. So it was 3-ply and I just pulled the other plies off. And then I thought what I'd do is I'd stick this down over the purple. I'm not going to use the whole, I'm not going to cover the whole thing, because I might want to cover some of the other stuff in something else. And the purple will show through. Not loads of it will show through, but definitely some of it will show through. So just going to pop, actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these into 4. And I may rip it up some more. I'm just going to cut that along there. Okay. Like that. And I think I will cut this as well. Okay, so that goes there, that goes there, that goes there. Let's just work with this one bit for now and see what we're going to do. So let's pop it up in the corner and see how it goes. I'm using just a glue stick for this. The napkins are very lightweight, so you could probably just get away with an ordinary Pritt stick rather than the posh thing. So I'm just going to lay it down. I'm not going to worry too much if it wrinkles. You do get a little bit of time, but bear in mind this is flimsy and it will just tear if you put it all off too much. So I'm just going to lay it down there. Exactly like that is what I mean. So you just got to get in and get out, I think. Not worry too much about where it ends up. So that's that. Yeah, I think you can see the purpley shading through it. So that's that one. Let's put the other one down below. Let's see what that does. It doesn't matter if it doesn't go off the end. None of it really matters, because what we're going to do is collage some other stuff over the top of it. So it will be fine. And actually the wrinkles are all right to play with. So I'm just going to have a look. You can actually see the purple shade through it. It's quite cute. I'm going to stop this video here just because I need to gather together some other bits and pieces that I want to work with on this. And I don't want the video to get too long. But I'll either tag these two together, the next video and this one, or I'll come back and show you what else I've added. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe and all that good stuff. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.